Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I can sync the video. Go Irish, go straight, okay? Go.
Which one faster in acceleration?
This one with dual motor.
Oh.
That thing is killer. Irish is climbing. Irish, your stand is down. Stand is down. Slow down, stop. Yeah, the climbing is very nice. Irish is not feeling anything. Now you have to push it. Go! Push, push! Yeah, you got the acceleration. You can stand up also easily. Yeah, but you have to balance your feet nicely. Irish is doing a great job. Now Irish will shoot video for Baba, right? Head a little higher, Irish, like this. Oh, okay. We go straight a little bit, then we come back, okay? By the riverside. Go Irish, punch it. Punch it, punch it. No, not here. Yeah, keep going straight first. See, electric is a lot of fun to go out in the evening, you know, for a nice relaxing ride. Man, that sounds really nice. Irish is coming full throttle. Go, 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 go. Irish is going full throttle as well.
Can I stop here?
You want to turn around now?
No.
We go forward, then turn around and come back.
No, that. Wait.
Go, go.
Stop first. I need to stop first.
Okay, you stop for what?
My hat on.
Okay, give me your hat. Your hat will fall off, I know. I'll put your hat here.
Oh, yeah.
Go. You know, with a little practice, with this rear motor, you can put one foot down and full throttle, slippery turn, drift turn very easily, but not here. Here's just too much grip. Go. Okay. Careful. Look how he's pulling away on dual motor. Oh man. Even this red bike cannot. You have to do beep beep by your mouth. Okay, wait, dual motor, right? One, come closer. 1, 2, 3, punch. Holy shit! Man, that thing is fast. Careful, there's a bike there. Come on! This, I told you, the acceleration on dual torque, on dual motor is diabolical, man. Careful, dual motor, you will be pulling wheelies. Go Irish! Go forward, then we will make a turn, alright? Actually, with dual motors, you see this deep incline? Yeah. You can, with dual motors, you can climb up easily.
Oh.
It's that powerful.
So can this one do that?
This one cannot. Yeah, it's very heavy, so it cannot. Okay, let's make a turn. Go back, mommy will be waiting. Now Irish can turn very easily. Dual torque turns very easily. But my bike, I have to engage reverse gear. Reverse gear and then forward gear. Go. Woo, look at that tire screeching, man. You're still on dual motor, right? No, he's not cheating. He has the most powerful electric scooter there. That's 3200 watt there. I am riding a 3000 watt single motor. You're riding, how many watt is this? Probably, I don't know, maybe less than 300 watt or 250 watt maybe. I have to check the specs. Now we have to wait for him.
Oh, perfect place to wait. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect place to wait.
You want to go out again?
Zoom! Zoom! Look at him go! Now Arish can handle full throttle on that one. I'll do some slalom in front of you, okay? So you can shoot easily. Slalom time! Enjoy some slaloms. Go. Single motor. On dual motor, you will fall on slaloms.
Let me stand.
Stand and do it? Okay. It's difficult while standing. But if we remove the seat,
Yeah, maybe easier.
yeah, it's easier, and if you remove the seat, you can also pull wheelies easily. Keep going. Follow Baba, okay? He's doing full throttle. Arish, on the road, you always ride at the right side, okay? Go, Bam. You have to turn right after the gate, okay? Yes, we are waiting for you, don't worry. Go. That scooter handles climb really nice. Can run R3S, not bad. Go right, Arish, don't go on the road, okay? Yes, just keep inside this line. Oh, he shot.
Like a bullet.
Yeah, don't break your foot, man. Tonight he has a flight to Thailand, right?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Keep going.
My uncle tonight will go back?
Yes, Bam Uncle is going back tonight. Follow us with the camera shooting. Come on, Arish. Go in front of Baba.
I think this video will be nice.
Yeah. Hadi?
I think this video will be nice.
Oh, this video, Baba have to work a lot. All right.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, Also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.